Terry Schmidt, Strategic Project Management Made Simple, Practical Tools for Leaders and Teams. Embark on an insightful journey with Terry Schmidt's book, Strategic Project Management Made Simple, Practical Tools for Leaders and Teams. This summary aims to equip you with the necessary knowledge to effectively manage projects, big or small, by addressing common mistakes, understanding the significance of strategic questions, and utilizing useful tools like the logical framework, Logframe. Recognizing the importance of stakeholders, designing well-structured projects, and measuring progress are essential skills to be explored, resulting in better team building, cooperation, and overall project success.
Strategic Project Management. Effective project management is achievable regardless of the size of the project. To succeed, it is essential to have a clear understanding of the project's goals and what constitutes a successful outcome. Fuzzy objectives, lack of context, using the wrong tools, disregarding stakeholders, inadequate planning, and failure to harness your team's strengths all lead to poor project outcomes. The traditional task-oriented approach to project management can lead to poor results because it fails to account for the big picture. A savvy project manager knows how to plan effectively, and it is crucial to ensure that project leaders understand the project's strategic intent. With the right tools, team, and planning, a well-designed project can be realized. For critical strategic questions. To ensure a project's success, start by answering 4 fundamental questions. Why is it necessary? What will success look like? What factors contribute to success, and how will you achieve it? The first question requires a clear understanding of the project's purpose and goals and to ensure everyone is on the same page. Simply assuming what it is about could be detrimental to the project's success. The second question centers around defining success and the metrics used to measure it. It's easy to measure the wrong things, which could lead to wrong decisions. For the third question, explore the bigger picture and analyze the external environment that could either assist or hinder your project. Finally, with a solid grasp of the first 3 questions, you might break down each step required to fulfill your project's objective. By answering these questions, you'll develop a profound comprehension of your project's purpose, metrics, external environment, and milestones. These will help you achieve a sustainable and feasible project, with a higher probability of obtaining the desired results. Using a Logframe for effective project planning. The book emphasizes the importance of using a logical framework, Logframe, chart for effective project planning. The chart consists of a 4x4 grid showing a project's objectives, measures, verification, and assumptions, and its goals, purpose, outcomes, and inputs. By filling in this grid with data from strategic questions, one can compare adjacent boxes using conditional reasoning to ensure all project elements align. The Logframe is a foundation for project framing, evaluation, team learning, and creating IT structures. It is not a detailed action plan but should be used at the project's beginning, especially for projects outside the organizational culture. Creating a logical project plan. To ensure that the end results of multiple projects feed into each other, it's crucial to link each project to the overall strategy. A collaborative design model is well suited for success, rather than a project manager-led approach. The book proposes 8 steps to create a thorough and effective project plan, ranging from clarifying the project context, including stakeholders, seeking constant improvement, distilling goals into core strategies, executing the plan, updating, and following up as necessary. Mastering project management. Project management requires careful analysis and clear objectives to achieve success. Each problem must be converted into an objective, with detailed root cause analysis. Outcomes and purposes should be separate objectives, with outcomes being the results of the project's work and purposes being the impact created when goals are reached. Time, people, and assets are the 3 major resources to be managed. Careful selection and measurement of results are important instruments for intelligent project management. To prevent negative outcomes and encourage beneficial ones, core conditional assumptions must be identified and analyzed using cost-benefit analysis. With the proper management of external influences, projects can be completed on time and within budget for a rich fulfillment of objectives and purposes. Effective project management. Learn to manage your project effectively by implementing a Think Plan Act Assess learning cycle. Setting up milestones with their evaluation processes can help you stay on track and meet your deadlines and objectives. Regular evaluation sessions will also ensure that you remain on the right track towards fulfilling your project's purpose. Effective project management. To ensure a successful project outcome, it is critical to divide your work into segments and name them logically. Your workflow will be determined and results shaped by how you chunk your work. Express time, people, and assets concerns in terms of schedules, responsibility and resource budgets, and track them. Purpose measures are crucial and serve as the primary aiming point, determining the expected result after the project delivery. Set up a responsibility chart to coordinate project tasks and assign specific jobs. Focus on the details of the next item of work needed to achieve the immediate goal. Make sure you celebrate achievements and involve your team in successes throughout the project. By managing inputs, outcomes are produced or delivered, achieving the purpose and contributing to an important goal. Keep the process positive and human by revisiting and reassessing the chunking, ready to modify as required at any stage of the project. Engaging people to execute your projects. As a project manager, working alongside other people is fundamental to accomplish your goals. Understanding both your team and their work is crucial in ensuring that jobs align with skills, leading to success and creating a sense of belonging within the team. Keep everyone centered on alignment and strategy, and you'll get all participants talking in the same language, supporting team-building efforts. Remember to keep the emotional highs and lows of your team in check and use emotional intelligence to motivate and manage your team effectively. Keep the team's mood light to avoid the daily drudgery of the project plan. Lastly, remember that the process of project planning is more important than the documents created. Maximizing returns on your project. Learn how to maximize your project returns with these essential steps: keep your plan relevant, break project silos, refresh workload, support company goals, improve processes, focus on strategy, define and design solutions, brainstorm breakthroughs, and provide post-project support for your team. Are you struggling to make the most out of your project? In Maximizing Returns on Your Project, you'll discover how to achieve a big return from your project with these essential steps. It all starts with keeping your strategic plan relevant and up-to-date, while breaking down silos by building teams across them. When performance lags, refresh the workload by reinventing your team and support the company's strategic marketing and sales programs. Continually improve each process for better outputs, and always focus on strategy and purpose in your decision-making process. Finally, learn to bake that hot potato by defining the issue, transforming it into an objective, and designing a solution through brainstorming. With these steps and post-project support for your team, success is just a project away.
To wrap up, Terry Schmidt's Strategic Project Management Made Simple offers valuable guidance on managing projects with clarity and strategy. By avoiding common pitfalls, seeking answers to critical strategic questions, and making use of tools such as the Logframe, your project can thrive with focused direction. The summary emphasizes the need to measure success accurately, navigate the context of projects, and maintain a strategic mindset throughout the process. By cultivating a collaborative team environment and building strong relationships with stakeholders, the end result is a successful, well-executed project that aligns with your organization's overall strategy.